Hi guys, I hope you're doing great and amazing. So here is something that I was getting, okay, and this reading will only reach to those who are actually facing all these things and who are resonating it these things, okay, with them. So then only you carry forward or do not waste any time and take as it resonates. So there is there is kind of justice that is coming in your life. Whatever you wanted was just an justice that in some kind of a situation that was going a lot very heavier. It was putting you like a little bit more patience, a little bit more patience. Just because of that thing, um, you have got through so much, like your legit patience level is another, even in this chaotic storm of yours. um, you found your ray, okay, inside you. While just waiting for it, you mastered the art of patience. That's something divine energies are saying. And trust me, that patience is going to get rewarded, okay. That wait is going to get rewarded. That work on yourself is going to be rewarded. What universe is saying, yes, see, the universe is saying that whatever it was, that the patience, the over patience that universe was actually bringing in your life and teaching you, the over determination, the belief in your own communication skills, short and script and very like meaningful, very clear with your path, whatever you want, whatever your intuitions are saying, you are kind of getting into that energies, okay, what I'm feeling. As well as I feel that you are cutting all the chaotic moments in your life. Universe is saying that right now you are at that throne, at that place where you are not going to entertain anything, okay. Whatever you did for other people, whatever you did for your own people, whatever you did for others never came in return, like within like even 10%. That thing, at the gut that I did so much of things, but nothing came out of this situation. No one appreciated my presence, no one appreciate my presence. Right now I am going to focus on myself. I will be like, you are putting boundaries in your life. I really feel you're putting those necessary boundaries in your life. You're getting strict to where one can come, who can enter your life and who cannot, okay. You know what you want in your life, and you are actually standing firm in your grounds, what I'm sensing. As well as the air element, maybe your zodiac signs are Libra, Gemini, okay. um I don't know why, but I'm sensing Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I don't know why, but yes, these signs are too much, very much active. Maybe you are saying in this like crescent moon, you will be getting a good news for some of you, like very clear and good, crispy news you will be getting. Um, Regarding your foundations, regarding your whatever you are actually going through this turmoil, wherever you are stuck in, especially the independent kind of energy. I'm feeling that you are becoming independent, you are ending those patterns that are not serving you, okay. As well as you are also seeing butterflies, okay. For some of you, I'm getting that energy as well. So it's like, if you were like the person, who keeps people around for their own personal needs, or likely to take advantage of their positions, or quit thinking you were like some such person, then you will be switching all the roles. But for a lot of you, I really feel that people were like that in your life, okay, who used to be who used to get into all this toxic kind of peoples, and especially your family members, okay. That's something I'm getting also. This card is talking about this you really need to be equal in intellectual formats, okay. Also you are more in living in your heads right now, or maybe beforehand that you will do everything and everything. So it's like you are right now, you will be taking actions towards them, okay. Also divine angels are saying that whatever you think, whatever you do, just think before acting, okay, in terms of your career. Because there is this careful energy, okay. Also when you're planning the ideas, you really need to be very power intellect intelligent format. You have to put all the cards together, and you have to come to the conclusion for your own self, okay. Also be very practical a little bit, because you were a lot in emotions, or very overthinking format, so you really need to ground yourself for that. Also there is like you really need to organize and plan. I really feel like you are getting into this positions where you are planning the 3 months or 6 months or the ahead new year plans you are making. And you, or if you are not making and you're getting those hints, then definitely you have to work on it, guys, before this new year starts. um, Also I really feel that you guys have this lack of soulful understanding of your own spiritual journey. Right now your intuitions are very high, I can say, okay. Your intuitions are very high, and it's like you really need to be a great teacher of your own self. Right now you are into those things where your intuitions are high, but you're not listening to them, as I said, okay. So you respect yourself, okay. Stop controlling and becoming like very ambitious nature. You just have to work really, very kind of in a balance mode. I really feel you really need to stop the chaotic patterns of your own self. I really feel, okay. Let's see what more it is. I really feel that you are not getting any answers. You think like that, okay? But you are actually getting answers what divine energies are saying. Yeah, see? Divine energies are already surrounding you. The universe is already giving you the hints, but you are not able to see it because you're grieving. If you can see this card, okay, the 5 of cups, he's only seeing all these three things, and he's not seeing the new ones, the new perspective that has been offered. Why? Because he's busy like into his past patterns and everything. So divine universe is saying stop doing that, okay, because it's not worthy right now to get into all these energies. As well as I really feel with this empress energy, your number 3, your Jupiter is very active. And as you know that the Jupiter has transited its mode, okay. You are getting Jupiter abundance, you're getting into balance mode. I really feel that, I don't know why, but I'm visioning this, getting this vision of your future is bright, your finance is like this graph is like this. So it's like rising up graph it is. So with this empress, I really feel that it is kind of giving me the symbol of power, okay, which is creativity, harmony, learnings, that so you are getting very creative right now. You are getting harmonious and with your entire life, okay. As well as I really feel that you're getting into the peaceful energies of yourself. You are feeling loved, and beauty is grooming, okay. Like it is growing, and people are noticing it. Also I really feel that you guys, some way or the other, you are into abundance mode, as I said, okay. Because divine energies are letting me know that you guys are into this abundance move where you cannot see it but you can feel it. Okay, that's what universe is trying to tell me. You cannot see it but you can feel it, and that's what divine energies want you to know, that everything is coming into fruition. You can get a good offer, a job offer. You can get like you're interacting with your feminine energy, okay, and you're mastering your feminine side. I really feel a lot of you, regardless of your gender. There is this two energies, masculine and feminine, and your feminine energy you are mastering and you're healing those energies, okay. As well as this card is talking about like you're kind of getting into your bossy female energies, okay, somewhat egoistic energy, but into like very balanced and stable growth format. You can also expect pregnancy related good news, or fertility kind of thing. But yes, I really feel that you guys really need to know this thing, that the Empress is all about the you know mind, body, soul in one format, okay. And I really feel that this Jupiter transition is making you balance your it is talking about your mind, body, soul format into a balance mode. They are coming into one alignment, and I really feel that maybe this is I don't know whose energy I have caught it, but it is like delay in getting like birth birth related things, okay. It's or any kind of like job or relation or marriage. It's like you feel that somewhere you are actually very much behind in your journey, okay. Everything is getting delayed. It takes time to build the foundation and learn and occupy that knowledge to apply, okay. So it's something that you really need to understand. You're right now valuable, growth hai, okay. It's like growth is there, but you really need to understand that the growth needs some good foundation, okay. When the foundation is amazing, then only you will be getting ahead in your journey. If you're asking questions like or you have any questions like will I get any promotion, then definitely yes, but it will be not very soon, okay. And already I can sense that it has been too much delayed, and right now you are in some position where you cannot feel that anything is coming. You cannot see this growth is coming, in short, but it is coming. And see the Tower card, it is kind of saying foundation again. Foundation, it is all about foundation. You are building, this delay in your life, okay, was all about making your foundation stronger and clearer and very very most amazing format and version of yours, okay. And yes, this delay is getting cut off from your energy. From I'm really getting this, that your spirit guides are saying that have some patience a little bit more, okay, because everything is getting into its own thing. Um, your foundation is already got ready, but right now you cannot see what is going on, but this abundance is already coming in your life. It has already arrived. It's just that you really need to uplift a little bit more, like 2% of work is there. You have to have patience for it. Just know that the authority level is coming, the knowledge and passionate energies are coming in your life. You're getting responsible, you're getting awakened, your ego is getting aside, and whatever you have been gone through, okay, you now know that you have to use tactics in order to live the best life you want, okay. As well as without balance you cannot move forward. So start to plan how to handle everything and everyone in your life. That's what I'm getting here, okay. Divine energies are legit saying that you really need to work on it. You really need to work on your own things. Without that you won't be able to find any kind of stuffs, okay. Because some or the other side you have to come into this one conclusion that yes, I am going to work for it. I am going to be leaving this negative side of mine. Okay, whatever happened, what happened, but I have to see to the brighter side. And yes, your negative manifestations do come very quickly, more than your positive ones, that I can feel. Okay, as well as there is an emotional changes happening in you. Okay, someone you, there may be like, someone you trusted may have let you down as well. Okay, or maybe, divorce or breakups, or passing of loved ones, or rejections you're facing, or you're getting emotional upset, sadness and loneliness, you're facing this depression, despair or guilt, isolation. Okay, you want to be, in the isolation format and hiding oneself away from the world. It's kind of your energies. And I really feel that you are in a partial recovery almost. It is like only 10 to 20% you have to recover more. Okay, and yes, when you start letting go of someone you have loved, or something not working out, lost in business, career, or finances, mourning something you emotionally attached to, or positivity is still around the corner. Divine angels are saying positivity is still around the corner, and you are unable to see it because right now you are in a grieving position. So stop doing that and move forward. Okay, move forward with all the amazing things you have in your life. Okay, because everything is divinely orchestrated. Divine angels are saying, let's see what more. And this Jupiter is teaching you a lot of things, very like very it is like kind of everything is happening in your life just to show you where, what you are and what you're doing, what you have to do in order to live this life of yours. Okay, so listen to your intuitions, have some boundaries, put yourself in a healthy format, have some balance in give and take format. Okay, communicate very clearly and politely. You don't have to entertain any arguments or anyone's possessions. Okay, see, I said this is the confirmation that this card has again arrived. And yes, after that it is Ace of Pentacles. That's what I was saying, that you are only focusing on what didn't worked out for you. Okay, but you are not focusing and seeing once that what exactly is coming forward in front of you. And trust me, that's divinely orchestrated. And yes, no matter what, it is going to enter in your life within 1 month. Okay, after seeing this reading, because this is very like channeled for few of this. Queen of Swords, when I have just moved it, and the Knight of Pentacles, if you can see. So I really feel that you guys, divine and universe is just waiting for your actions, that how much actions you take for your own self. Okay, because when you are not your own self, you won't be able to get into good, and the people around you will not make you feel worthy or good. Okay, that's what I'm getting. You will always see the both sides of your life. So people are dicey. Okay, they don't have that knowings that what exactly is your life all about. You have to live your own life, you have to cross that bridge, you have to be alone and go alone and do everything alone. It's just that people can add goods or bads. It depends on the energies and frequencies of your own self. So you really need to work on yourself. You really need to prioritize your own deeds. Okay, because that is something that I'm understanding and getting from this, that you really need to you have to work on yourself before. If you don't work on it, the Ace of Pentacles will not come, the job offer, a grounded and you know a grounded kind of energy is not going to happen. The there is like loving child, good foundations and stability for growth is there, planting seeds for growth. You are doing that. Career in business or health and well-being and property, relationships like found through work or colleagues are amazing. that is coming for you. Opportunities for financial projects, it's coming for you. Spending on luxuries, new home, new car, can representing also gardening and flowers. Manifestations of yours, as I said, that your manifestations are coming true and is already here, but you cannot see it. So remember that if you're feeling that from the past decades you were like in lack of money, poor financial control, loss or lack of opportunities, financial delays or excessive spending or scarcity, deficiency, lack of planning, instability, greed, insecurities, and so on. Not taking responsibility of your own life and on yourself. Don't, you're not like trusting the opportunities, or stress is there, tired, miserable feeling, like also. Then these opportunities are coming and entering in your life very soon, like from 1 month to yeah, 6 weeks to 6 days to 1 month is the actual thing I'm getting for you guys, because that is something I'm getting through the vibes of yours, okay, from these cards as well. With the Six of Wands, it's like victory. This is divine confirmation for the Ace of Pentacles, that victory and winning is coming for you. You're reaching an important milestone of your life. Your self confidence and self esteem is improving. You're building a community. Also there will be like recognition of work. You will go into meditation as well. You will start meditating. If you are not and you have been called to, then definitely do it. There will be advantages and pride as well. You will be receiving a lot from right now, okay. Also many of you will be receiving your certifications or passing grades and everything. Also you will be establishing of your place in the world, okay. You will be working on making the world, you will be making your place in this world, your own damn place, where you are being respected, welcomed and honored in a right feeling, with the right feeling, with the right place, with the right people. Stability and heading towards goal is also there. You will be getting recognized and the limelight will be with you. Progress and ambition, fame and acclaim, leading, you will be leading a crowd in a very different way. Just make sure that you congratulate your little efforts, because you have came so far, okay. Successes in business, okay, ventures and ideas, relationships with similar goals, things that have been put you into actions are moving along right now. Popularity increases there. Moving forward at a stable pace is also there. You're like, you are I can get this kind of thing, that you're number 5, you're ruled by number 5, number 3, 11, 11, 10, 10, okay. Number 6, number 8, okay. Then yeah, these are your birth dates, okay, or mulangs, okay. So definitely like personality numbers. So yeah, definitely personality or your um, soul destiny number, okay. So which is called bhagyang. So it is like in this fields also. To number 23, number 18, number 19, number 21 is also there. So yeah, divine angels are saying that own your damn independent life, own yourself, own this amazing life of yours, because that's something you really need to have to work on right now. Your Jupiter is so strong that you have learned everything. Now it's time for application, okay, in your life. That's something I'm getting. So if you resonated with it, guys, then definitely do like, subscribe and claim the energies. Bye.